Are the suspended officials of Porac, Pampanga. They are facing additional complaints due to illegal operation of Pogo Lucky South 99 in their town. The Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission or PAOC and the Philippine National Police or PNP have filed graft charges against Porac Mayor Jaime Capil, Vice Mayor Francis Lawrence Tamayo and others. Interagency Council Against Trafficking prosecutor Sonny Ocampo insisted that Porac has committed negligence in letting illegal Pogo operate in their area. Capil, Tamayo and others are currently suspended from their posts.
Oh, ayan kasi naman, it's in your backyard, tapos sinayaan mo mamayagpag ang isang malaking illegal activity. Di ba parang sinasabi nila sa mga hearing, imposible naman.
Yeah.
May mga funds ka sa LGU, may mga police operatives ka around the area, walang movement kang nakikita na may mga pag-structures na paano mo kinonstruct yung mga certain structures na medyo magtaka ka na, di ba? May mga underground pa yan at lahat. So, it's just tsaka command responsibility din yan eh.
Exactly.
The buck stops at your office.
Iba pinag-usapan nga natin yan. Sibi mo sa laki nung Pogo doon sa area mo, hindi mo alam na nangyayari yun. Kahit kailan, hindi mo sinilip kung anong ginagawa ng mga
kahit
tao
naman
doon.
sabihin mo, wala kang hinalang may maling ginagawa, pero may malaking nangyayari doon, usually, you'll take a look at it. Teka lang, ano ba ito? Legal ba ito? Yun lang naman, di ba?
Ilang taon din yun, di ba?
Due diligence. We're not saying na ikaw kasama initially sa illegal operation. Sinasabi natin, due diligence man lang na tinignan mo.
Ikaw yung local government official dyan.
Ikaw yung head ng area.
Ikaw yung mayor dyan. Ikaw yung tatay ng lugar na yun. At saka, if I'm not mistaken, alam ko, nagsimula yung operation yan or nag-start yung construction during the pandemic eh.
No, sa construction pala, hindi ka na nagtanong-tanong, malaki-laki ito.
Pandemic ngayon bakit may ganito?
Bakit may leak? Bakit may leak kayo dyan? Bakit may bahay doon na walang daanan sa gitna ng, di ba, man-made lake? Mga ganun questions ba? Ay, nako.
Ito, balikan ko lang. Nawala. Balikan ko lang yung sinasabi ni former Chief Justice. Ay, nawala yung yung article.
Sige, mamaya, we'll take that up, but let's move on to the next.